Hello students, I am Patil V.S. from SGM College Karat. In previous lecture, we have studied the physical properties of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. And also we have studied the first two chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketones. Now in today's lecture, we are going to study the next chemical reaction, that is haloform reaction. In this haloform reaction, haloforms are nothing but trihalogen derivatives of methane. We know that molecular formula of a methane is CH4. From this methane, here 3 hydrogen atoms of methane is replaced by 3 halogen atoms. Then this gives here CHX3. Here X may be Cl, Br or I. If 3 hydrogen atoms of methane is replaced by 3 chlorine atoms, then we get here CHCl3. Then that haloform is known as chloroform. If 3 hydrogen atoms of methane is replaced by 3 iodine atoms, then we get here CHI3, and this is known as iodoform. Here, this haloform reaction is given by acetaldehyde. Formula of acetaldehyde is CH3CHO, means CH3C double bond OH. All methyl ketones, formula is CH3COR, means CH3C double bond OR. And all alcohols containing CH3CHOH group. Here, this alcohol, that is the CH3CHOH group, here on oxidation, then this hydrogen and this hydrogen is removed and we get here CH3C double bond O. Means acetaldehyde contains CH3C double bond O group. Here methyl ketone contains CH3C double bond O group, and alcohols also containing CH3C double bond O group. And therefore this shows a haloform reaction. Means in case of ketone, here CH3C double bond OR, here R may be C2H5, C3H7, etc. But one of the alkyl group is methyl. Remember that one of the alkyl group is methyl. In case of aldehyde, only acetaldehyde gives haloform reaction because acetaldehyde contains CH3C double bond OH group, means CH3C double bond O group. Here when an acetaldehyde or methyl ketone is warmed with iodine and NaOH, then this gives yellow precipitate of iodoform. Here NaOH and I2 react to give NaOI, and this NaOI is known as sodium hypoiodide reagent. Here sodium hypoiodide is produced in situ. In situ means during the course of reaction, this NaOI is prepared. Therefore, this is known as in situ preparation. Here, for example, acetone is oxidized by sodium hypoiodide to give a sodium salt of acetic acid, and yellow precipitate of iodoform is formed. Here, this is the formula of acetone. In case of acetone, here this is a methyl group, also this is a methyl group, means one of the alkyl group is a methyl, and therefore this shows a haloform reaction. Here acetone is oxidized by sodium hypoiodide. This is the sodium hypoiodide. This sodium hypoiodide is formed when reaction between NaOH and I2. NaOH reacts with I2, then this gives NaOI and plus Hi. This NaOI is known as sodium hypoiodide, and during the course of reaction, this NaOI is formed. Therefore, this is known as in situ preparation. Here, this acetone is oxidized by sodium hypoiodide to give a sodium salt of acetic acid. This is the sodium salt of acetic acid and the yellow precipitate of iodoform. In this reaction, this methyl group forms as an haloform, and here this CCH3 bond breaks, then this CH and this 3I, this I, here 3I gives CHI3, and ONA group is attached to this carbonyl carbon. This ONA group is attached to this carbonyl carbon. Then we get here sodium salt of acetic acid, that is CH3C double bond ONA. This is known as sodium salt of acetic acid, or this is also known as sodium acetate. Then here remaining two hydrogen atoms, here remaining two hydrogen atoms and two NaO group gives twice NaOH. And here we get here yellow precipitate of iodophor. Then next reaction is here aldol condensation reaction. Here the name aldol is derived from two functional groups, that is aldehyde and alcohol, and therefore this is known as aldol. Here condensation means elimination of small molecules like water, then NH3 or OH. And here first we know that alpha hydrogen atom and alpha carbon atom. Here alpha carbon atom means a carbon atom which is attached to the carbonyl carbon is known as alpha carbon atom. And alpha hydrogen atom means a hydrogen atom which is attached to the alpha carbon atom is called as alpha hydrogen atom. Here phenaldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen atom, this is very important, that is having alpha hydrogen atom, is warmed with dilute NaOH or Na2CO3 solution or KOH solution, then two molecules of aldehyde or two molecules of ketone condensed to give here beta hydroxyaldehyde known as aldol or beta hydroxy ketone known as ketol, and the reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction. Here in this reaction, two molecules of aldehyde or ketone reacts with each other in such a way that alpha carbon atom of second molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule and forms corresponding aldol and ketol. Here alpha hydrogen atom migrated to the carbonyl oxygen to form hydroxyl group. Here for example, in case of aldehyde like acetaldehyde, this is also known as ethanol. This is the first molecule and second molecule is acetaldehyde, ethanol or IUPAC name is ethanol. This is the second molecule. Here this is the alpha carbon atom because the carbon atom which is attached to the carbonyl carbon is known as alpha carbon atom, and these three hydrogen atoms are known as alpha hydrogen atoms because these hydrogen atoms are attached to the alpha carbon atom, and therefore this is known as alpha hydrogen atom. Here in this reaction, here two molecules of aldehyde reacts with each other in such a way that here alpha carbon atom of this second molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule, and this forms here beta hydroxyaldehyde known as aldol. Here this reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH, means this aldehyde having alpha hydrogen is warmed with dilute NaOH or Na2CO3 solution, then these two molecules condense together to give a beta hydroxyaldehyde, and this beta hydroxyaldehyde is known as aldol. This is known as aldol. Here this is also known as acetaldol. This is also known as here acetaldol, or this is a carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, means this is a beta hydroxybutyraldehyde, or this is also known as here 1, 2, 3 hydroxyl group is attached to the carbon number 3, therefore 3 hydroxy 4 carbon atoms, means this is the derivative of butane, E is replaced by Al, and therefore the name 3 hydroxybutanol or this is known as beta hydroxyaldehyde, or this is known as aldol. Then this aldol readily loses a water molecule when warm with an acid. When warm with an acid, then this gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde called as crotonaldehyde. In this reaction, this OH and H is removed as a water molecule, and we get here CH3CH double bond CH and CHO. This is known as alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde called as crotonaldehyde. In this reaction, here first step is a nucleophilic addition reaction, and in second step is elimination reaction. Here the name of this compound is, this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the derivative of butane, but here double bond is present. Therefore, AN is replaced by ENE. At second position, double bond is present. Therefore, but2-en and aldehyde group is present. Therefore, Al means IUPAC name of this compound is but2-en Al, or this is also known as crotonaldehyde. Then this aldol condensation is known as simple aldol condensation, or this is also known as self-aldol condensation, because these two molecules here, acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde, means these two molecules are same, and therefore this is known as self-aldol condensation or simple aldol condensation. Now let us see a next example in case of a ketone. Here two molecules of acetone. This is the first molecule of acetone. This is the second molecule of acetone. This is also known as a propanone. CH3COCH3 means 1, 2, 3 means this is a propanone. Also this is a propanone. In this reaction also when an ketone having alpha hydrogen atom is warmed with dilute NaOH or this BaOH twice, then these two molecules condense together to give a beta hydroxy ketone known as a ketol, and this reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction. In this reaction, this is a alpha carbon atom, because a carbon atom which is attached to the carbonyl carbon is known as alpha carbon atom, and alpha hydrogen atom means a hydrogen atom which is attached to the alpha carbon atom is called as alpha hydrogen atom. Here three alpha hydrogen atoms are present in case of acetone. Then this reaction takes place here. In this reaction, here two molecules of ketone reacts with each other. Two molecules of ketone like acetone reacts with each other in such a way that alpha carbon atom of the second molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule, and this alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards carbonyl oxygen to give a hydroxyl group, and we get here beta hydroxy ketone known as a ketol, that is CH3CCH3. Then this OH is attached to this carbon atom. Here OH is attached to this carbon atom. Then this CH2 group is attached to the carbonyl carbon, and then CCH3, and this is known as beta hydroxy ketone, or this is known as a ketol. This compound is also known as a diacetone alcohol, means this CH3C, CH3, this is the acetone group, also this is acetone group, diacetone, and this OH group, therefore alcohol. Name of this compound is diacetone alcohol, or also this is known as 4-hydroxy 4-methyl pentane 2-ONE. Here this is a carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, means this is the derivative of pentane. Here second carbon atom ketonic group is present, therefore pentane 2-ONE. Then at position number 4, here methyl group is attached, also hydroxyl group is attached, therefore 4-hydroxy 4-methyl pentane 2-ONE. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Here This gives beta hydroxyketone, that is ketol, and this ketol loses a water molecule when warm with an acid, and this gives alpha beta unsaturated ketone known as methyl oxide. In this reaction, this OH and this H is removed as a water molecule, and we get here CH3CCH3. Here CH3CCH3. Then the single bond is converted to double bond. Here C double bond CH. Then the CCH3 double bond O. Here CCH3 double bond O. This is known as alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and this is also known as methyl oxide. Also, name of this compound is 4-methyl pent 3-en 2-ONE. In this case, here this is a carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is the derivative of pentane. At position number 4, here methyl group is attached, therefore 4-methyl. This is the derivative of pentane. But here double bond is present, therefore ANE is replaced by ENE. At position number 3, here double bond is present, therefore pent 3-en. And also here ketonic group is present at position number 1, and this is 2. At position number 2, therefore 2-ONE. Means name of this compound is 4-methyl pent 3-en 2-ONE. This is the second example of aldol condensation reaction. In this reaction, your first step is nucleophilic addition reaction, and in second step, that is elimination reaction. This reaction is known as simple aldol condensation reaction, or this is also known as self aldol condensation reaction, because here two molecules are same. Here CH3COCH3 and CH3COCH3 means these two molecules are same, and therefore this is known as simple aldol condensation reaction. Here, then next, let us see next, that is crossed aldol condensation reaction. In case of crossed aldol condensation reaction, an aldol condensation that takes place in between two molecules of different aldehydes or ketones is called as crossed or mixed aldol condensation. If both of the carbonyl compounds contain alpha hydrogen atom, a mixture of 4 different products are formed. Here these 4 products are formed. This is product number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 4 products are formed, and this is known as crossed aldol condensation reaction. Here this aldol condensation reaction, in case of formaldehyde, benzaldehyde and trimethyl acetaldehyde do not undergo the self aldol condensation reaction. Now we will see in this video. Crossed aldol condensation means an aldol condensation reaction takes place in between here two molecules of different aldehyde or two molecules of different ketone. Then this is called as crossed aldol condensation or mixed aldol condensation. In this reaction, here aldehyde or ketone contains 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. Means both aldehyde and ketone contains 2 alpha hydrogen atoms, and then these 2 alpha hydrogen atoms we get here 4 products. That is 4 products are formed, means aldehyde and ketone contains 2 hydrogen atoms, then they mix to form 4 products. Here 4 products. If we take first acetaldehyde plus propanaldehyde. then propionaldehyde, plus propionaldehyde, then acetaldehyde plus acetaldehyde, and propionaldehyde plus propionaldehyde. Here, this cross-aldol condensation reaction takes place in between two different aldehydes or two different ketones, and this both aldehyde or ketone contains two alpha hydrogen atoms each. Then this gives, that is, four products. Four products are formed. Here, first, acetaldehyde formula is CH3CHO plus, this is acetaldehyde, or this is also known as ethanol, plus propanaldehyde, that is CH3, then CH2, CH3, CH2, CHO. This is a propanaldehyde. Reacts with each other in presence of dilute NaOH. Then this gives, here, this is alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha carbon atom of one molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of another molecule, and alpha hydrogen migrated towards carbonyl oxygen. Then we get here CH3, then this CH, here OH, then the CH is attached to this carbon atom, that is CH, the CH3 and CHO. CH3CH, here OH, then CH, CH3, CHO. Then this compound is warm with acid. This compound is warm with acid. Then water molecule is eliminated. This OH and H eliminates, means elimination takes place. Here nucleophilic addition first step, and in second step, that is elimination. Therefore, this is known as aldol condensation. Here crossed aldol condensation because these two molecules are different. Then this gives CH3, then CH, here double bond C, CH3 and CHO. CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3 and CHO, plus here H2O. This compound is known as, here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the derivative of butane, but here double bond, therefore A and E is replaced by E and E. In second position, methyl group is attached. Therefore, name of this compound is 2-methyl, then bute, double bond present. Therefore, A and E is replaced by E and E, bute, 2-en, but this is aldehyde. Therefore, bute 2-en, AL. This is a first reaction. Four products are formed from this four product. This is first product. Then second product. In second product, we take here first propanaldehyde and then here acetaldehyde. Propanaldehyde formula is CH3, CH2, CHO. CH3, CH2, CHO plus acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula is CH3 and
formula of acetaldehyde. We know that here this is the alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom. Then alpha carbon atom of this second molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule. Means this alpha carbon atom attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule, and alpha hydrogen migrated towards carbonyl oxygen. This reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH at room temperature. Then we get here product CH3, CH2, then CH, here OH, then CH2 and CHO. Then water molecule is eliminated. This OH and this H eliminates to give here warm, then CH3, here CH2, then CH, double bond, CH and CHO. This is second product CH3, CH2, CH. Here hydrogen atom and OH gives H2O. Therefore remaining is CH and CHO plus H2O. And this compound is known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the pent. Double bond is present. Therefore pent 2-ene. 2-ene Al. This is the second product. Then third product. Here this is ethanol propanol. Then propanol ethanol. Then self product, that is acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Means CH3CHO. Here CH3CHO plus CH3CHO. This reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH. This is alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom. The second molecule of alpha carbon atom gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule, and alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards carbonyl oxygen. Then we get here product, that is CH3, then CH, here OH, CHOH, then CH2 and CHO. This is nucleophilic addition. Then elimination takes place. This is a warm. Then water molecule is eliminated. This OH and H eliminate to give a water molecule. Then we get here CH3, this CH3, then CH, here double bond CH, here hydrogen atom and this OH gives water molecule, therefore remaining is CH and CHO plus H2O. This is third product. Name of this third product is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the derivative of butane, but here double bond is present, therefore AN is replaced by ENE, but here also aldehyde group, therefore E is replaced by Al. Then name of this compound is but 2-ene-Al. This is a third product. Then next, here acetaldehyde, then propanaldehyde and propanaldehyde. Last product is propanaldehyde and propanaldehyde, that is CH3, CH2 and CHO plus here CH3, CH2 and CHO. presence of dilute in AOH. Here this is alpha carbonatum, this is alpha hydrogenatum. अल्फा कार्बन मीन्स कार्बोनिल कार्बनला जो कार्बन एटम अटॅच असेल त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं अल्फा कार्बन एटम. And hydrogen atom is attached to the alpha carbon atom is known as alpha hydrogen atom. Here this alpha carbon atom of second molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule. Means this CH group is attached to this carbonyl carbon. This hydrogen atom migrated towards carbonyl oxygen to give hydroxyl group. This reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH. In these two molecules of aldehyde reacts with each other in such a way that alpha carbon atom gets attached to the carbonyl carbon and alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards carbonyl oxygen to give here product known as here CH3, CH2, then CH. Here CH, OH, this CH3, CH2, CH, OH, then CH, CH3, this CH, CH3 and CHO. Then this compound is warm. Then fourth product is this water molecule is eliminated, this OH and this H gives water molecule plus H2O. And product is CH3, CH2, CH. Here CH3, CH2, CH. Then double bond C, CH3, CCH3, CHO. This is fourth product. Name of this fourth product is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Means 2-methyl. Name of this compound is plus H2O. Name of this compound is 2-methyl. 2-methyl, total carbon atoms are 5. Therefore, this is the derivative of pentane. But here double bond. Therefore, AN is replaced by ENE. Position is second position. Therefore, 2-methyl pent 2-EN and aldehyde group is present. Therefore, E is replaced by Al. Means 2-methyl pent 2-EN Al. This is the fourth product. Means here in first here ethanol and propanol. Then propanol and ethanol. These two compounds means these two reactions are known as cross product. This is the cross condensation or mixed condensation and this is a self condensation. Means total 4 products are formed.
In this way, in today's lecture, we have completed the haloform reaction, then simple aldol condensation reaction and crossed aldol condensation reaction. Thank you.